trying to get short here. Could be probably going to be a little bit early. Wasn't patient enough. Should have waited for this push up. Did not. So I shorted on each level up. Trying to get in at 61. Thinking we could probably push up the top of the Keltner here. So I'm just trying to be patient here. And I will pause it, come back. This should be our push up. I don't have the best entry here. Added in here. I'm going to build a position up through here. So I'll pause it and come back. Let's see. At the first few targets down here, we've got to get through this congestion here at the open. Get sliced through, back test, then we'll get our push down. So I'll pause it and be back. Didn't get any higher where I could add any more in. So we'll see where we go. Alright, adding up in here. Finally did get the push up. A little bit of chop this morning. Came down, did hold. Been holding 165. Finally pushed it up. We need this retracement back up, fail. Be in some trouble here. The 610 starting to try to get some strength here. Added in here. I'm going to add on the way up. Hope everybody had a great weekend. See above us at 1118 half area. Adding. Could be building out some type of flag here. Alright guys, I'll pause it and come back, see what this thing's gonna do. Gotta give it a few more minutes, looks like. Alright guys, just a whole bunch of chop right now. I think I'm on the wrong side of this thing. Let's see if it starts panning out here pretty soon. 144, looking okay right this second. Got some divergences. 233, 377 gets on top, 16 gets on top. Here we go. I'm gonna be in trouble here. I'll pause it. I'm not gonna add until I start seeing something set up that I can lean into here. All right, let's see. Yep. I couldn't break it down, so they're gonna try overnight high. Adding. Alright, got stopped out. I've got to be at 19. Oil's taking off. It's lifting the market. Adding. Adding in here as well. I want to see a retest down in here and see if we get a push up failure here. I said I had 18.6 as a marker today. Let's say 18.5. they're gonna add in here. So there's our retest. See what we do here. And I'll pause it and come back. Alright guys, still here. It held the 50. I am going to add into here. Dug herself a hole this morning trying to short the open. Got caught on the wrong side. Got stopped out and re-entered. Re-entered on the top. Now we're trying to see if we can re-enter back into this congestion here. Keep adding. A lot of chop today. This 15.5 area should be should get there. Let's see. Oops. This area. Just would not break the 50. It just held it. So I'll pause it and come back. All right. Looking at the 16.5 here. Alright, I'll pause it. We might run a little bit higher. We should push down from here. Alright, getting the movement down. Just have to sit and wait here. Got to get through this congestion here, and then we can see where we want to go. First targets are down here. Do have lower targets. We'll just have to see how aggressive they want to be later on today. Coming into the first targets here. That might have been it. Right at 4 points. Blue line was primary target. Got hit. Probably should have taken some more off here. Let's see what kind of bounce we get. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm going to cover another there. Should get a push into here for sure. Just trying to hold. Alright, I'll pause it, come back. Alright, coming into next set of targets. Should not have any trouble coming down into the least the opening range. Low here. I'm on one ticket. Touch this. See if I can get it taken here. $25 left. Pushing hard. We're coming into the zero line now. This bounce should get sold into, or above this last pivot here. I'll pause it and come back. Right, coming back into them. Left. Ah, come on. It's holding a 76% retracement down. It's at 10.3. That's what it's playing with right now. We got 5 left. Targets are below. Alright, I'll pause and come back. Alright guys, sorry I stepped away for a second. Target was hit. Let's see. Got 7.8 as a spot too. I'm off about 7 points right now, so I'll pause it and come back. Alright, it's sticking around here too long. We'll take that 7 points pretty much right there. Wondering if we can make it to the $200 down here. We're hanging out at the 162. See if we get that final push down to the 200. Like I said, 7.8 is a fib. So we'll see if we can get. We'll see what kind of reaction we get here. I'm just not liking how we're slowing down here. So I'll pause it and come back here shortly. All right, I've got the stop in place. If it go, I don't want to sit back through any kind of deep retracements or anything like that. So if it gets back into the opening range, you know, it could come back into this congestion area here. You know, nice 50% back or something. We're still pushing pretty hard. Pressure did release down. What I was looking for all morning. This morning, not very patient. It finally came through for what I was looking for. Just not being patient through here. They decided to take it back up, squeeze the shorts, and ended up getting stopped out at the right at the high, and I just re-entered. The day would have been a lot easier if I would have been more patient. I know Mondays are not awful. I don't trade Mondays very well. Know this, so I'm going to push up through here. Probably orange is the settlement price Friday. Be better to be up, have your stop up here or way up here, but it is 11 o'clock Central. So we'll get out, enjoy our Monday, enjoy the day. turn the computer off, and come back fresh in the morning. Did have some buying off the bottom there. I would imagine this thing's gonna have trouble. Let's see. In this area here. You see all the smaller time frames starting to turn up, pull in, pull this BB closer to this one. They got way overextended away from each other, and that's where you're getting your snap back in price. But overall, not a very good trading day. Now on the execution side, it does happen, but biggest thing's not to wig out. Alright, so let's see if we hold the inside of the opening range here. We could do, 67%, 50% back, put us up in this area. We'll take our 5 points. Alright, I'll pause it. Alright, stops hit. Alright. Alright, 10-9, 1.5 profit factor. Absolutely awful. So, not a great day with execution. We were able to get it back. Continue to have struggle on Mondays. It is what it is. So I'm going to shut it down, and I will get out, enjoy the day, come back in the morning, and see how this thing's set up for us for trading. The first part of the morning on Tuesday. Everybody have a good one.